Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. And now let's get on with this one. Now before we do anything, let's take care of the basic camera settings. So enter the camera, then bottom right icon gets you right into camera settings. Rear camera, picture size 4x3 12 megapixels. Video size Ultra HD 4K. Tracking autofocus, not interesting right now, sometimes useful. Later on we're going to take a closer look at that. Shape correction, you're not going to get much of a result from it, but it's not a mistake to have it turned on either. Timer set to off later on when we're going to use very slow shutter speeds. That can come in very handy to avoid camera shake. HDR rich tone turned off. Auto mode sometimes doesn't work well in my experience. If I want an HDR looking image, I will tweak it in post-production. Front camera, picture size 4x3 8 megapixels. Video size QHD 2.7K. Save pictures as previewed, not as flipped images. Yes, please. Shooting methods, now you can experiment with those. I basically never use them. Timer, off. HDR rich tone, off. Same settings as with the rear camera. Motion photo, not interesting right now. Video stabilization, yes, please. Grid lines, 3x3 or square. I favor the 3x3. In my opinion, it's the best compromise when it comes to a grid that actually helps you in composing shots but doesn't crowd up the screen. So for me, 3x3 it is. Location tags, not interesting right now. Review pictures after you take them. If you're doing a lot of stills, that can come in handy. I usually shoot video, so I have this turned off. Quick launch, I rarely use to be honest, but if things move fast, double tapping the home button will get you right into the camera app, which might get you the shot and make a real difference. Storage location, for me it's SD card. I got 256 gigabytes in there, and if you're shooting a lot of video with a smartphone, I would recommend you do the same. Voice control, I have that turned off because whenever I shoot video, there might be people around and they might by accident start or stop my recording, or I might do that myself. Floating camera button can come in very handy at times. It looks like this. There's a second camera button that you can use to take a picture. However, I don't take a lot of stills, so I usually don't need a floating camera button. But now you know it's there. Volume key function, I set that to record video because sometimes the volume keys are much easier to reach than the record or the shutter button on the screen. And that's it for basic camera settings. Let's dive right into the Pro mode. So that's it for this tutorial. Once again, this video is just part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So again, should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. If you liked this one, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching and hopefully see you again soon.